Hi, this is Jess from Music Lounge. Today we will be learning about the bass clef notes. Let's get started. The bass clef tells us that we will be playing notes of a lower pitch. We use the first 7 letters of the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, to give names to the notes. The notes on the lines are G, B, D, F, and A. To make it easier to remember these 5 notes, we can use the phrase good, birds, do, fly, always. The notes on the spaces are A, C, E, and G. That's A, C, E, G. We can use the phrase all cows eat grass to make it easier to remember the notes on the space. The first letter of those words are the notes on the space starting from the bottom space. I hope you learned a lot from this video. This is Jess from Music Lounge. Thank you for watching.